Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. In this video, I'm taking part in a collab that's hosted by the DIY Mommy. She asked that we either do a DIY or share some type of fall decorated area in our home. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you different ways that you can style a tray on your coffee table. I like doing videos like this. I just love having fun with my home decor. The playlist is below, you guys. Be sure you click that playlist and be sure you go by Christina's channel. So let's get started on this video. Okay, this is one of my favorite ideas. All you need to do is grab different sizes of candles that you have around your home, and you'll be amazed how they turn out arranged in a tray. And there's your coffee table arrangement, and you can actually use this for any season all year round. Now this one is a request by one of my subscribers. She purchased a little basket around springtime and she wanted to know other ways that she can use it. So what I did here is I gathered some of my bling items that I had, and I actually placed a candle in here, which is a really awesome idea. You can do so much with this basket. Okay, love, so in this clip is some style in action here. So I'm taking my tray, setting it on my coffee table, and then I just arrange the items that in a way that I want them on the tray. And from there, I'm going to use some feathers. These feathers actually came from Michael's, and I'm loving on these feathers. They only had 3, so I'm gonna have to go to a couple more Michael's to find me a few more. And I'm just gonna arrange my lights, my string lights, inside of the basket. And from there, I'm gonna put my feathers in the basket. And this is a beautiful coffee table tray styling. Okay, so in this particular tray styling, I use my owls, my DIY pumpkin, and my candles. And this is so me because it's glam and my style is glam. Okay, loves. So in this one, I just took a variety size of my favorite pumpkins and I placed them in the tray, and I took the owls out, and I have a napkin ring that I'm using as just a floral piece in this tray styling. Okay, loves, I told you I'm loving on owls this fall. So now I have my white owls in here and a pumpkin. The pumpkin came from Burlington, and the owls was a last year purchase from Sea Gallery, and a different set of candles. These candles actually came from Home Goods. Okay, so in this one, I recycled my pumpkins. I'm using some mirrored coasters, a mirrored candle holder, and one of my favorite candles in this particular tray styling. So here you are looking at some dark teal, I say cerulean colored pumpkins, my feathers, a slim vase. That the candle came from Walmart, pumpkins came from Home Goods. The white pumpkin is a DIY pumpkin where I added some bling to. This is a really cute arrangement. And by the way, that candle, it's so pretty. It smells so good. It came from Walmart. So in this one, I grabbed a couple more of my pumpkins, an extra candle, and some napkin rings that actually came from Pier 1 a few years ago, and my slim vase here that came from Z Gallery about a year and a half ago, and my feathers. This is going to be my last one, you guys. I really enjoyed this collaboration. I hope that you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'm going to see you in my next video.